In this video, I'll show you how to set up a lead form ad in Meta Ads. First, sign in to your Meta Ads account and open Ads Manager. Click Create to start a new campaign and choose the leads objective. Next, continue to the ad set level and select Instant Forms as your conversion location. Then configure your audience, budget, schedule, placements, and optimization settings. After that, move to the ad level and select your Facebook page and Instagram account. Upload your image or video, write your primary text, add a headline, and choose a call to action button. Now, click Create Form to build your lead form. Choose the form type, add the questions you want to ask, include your privacy policy link, and create a thank you screen with any follow-up instructions or a call to action. Finally, review your campaign, ad, and form settings, then click Publish. Once Meta approves your ad, people will be able to submit their information directly through the lead form without leaving the platform. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a lead form ad in Meta Ads. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.